This is the WaterTech Volt FX-8, a powerful cordless vacuum designed to take on full-size in-ground and above-ground pools with ease. The FX-8 runs on a lithium battery with a power rating of 500, almost double its brother, the FX-4, and gives you up to 60 minutes of runtime per charge. It's built bigger and tougher with a 13-inch vacuum head that covers more area with every pass and a 30% larger debris chamber than the FX-4, so you can go longer without emptying. You also get a full accessory set, a crevice corner nozzle for tight spots, scrubbing brushes for stuck-on debris, a shallow water head and hose attachment, and 2 reusable filter bags, including the multi-layer extreme filter for fine debris. Even with the extra features, it's easy to use. Just press the button and go. Minimum operating depth, just 14.25 inches. If you want a cordless vacuum that can handle full-size cleanups without breaking a sweat, the FX-8 delivers. Need help deciding if it's right for you? Give us a call. We've got your back.